In Blobr, you can add and connect different applications: Google Ads, Google Analytics, and Google Search Console. In one click, you can connect through the API with O2, and then, for instance, connect Google Search Console. Once you have connected, you can see directly in the App Store that the sync is in progress. Once you've done that, you can check the knowledge base. Knowledge base is where AI is building knowledge about your company or the companies that you are managing if you are an agency. So it's going to look at the website, build up what is the value proposition, doing the same thing with competitors. So really, our AI can understand at a granular level what you are doing and how you compete. You can add as well ideal customer profile. So the customer ideal profile that you have, one is built by AI, and then you can add other manually. You can, of course, edit at any time those profiles that are built up by AI. Then we have account planning, which is more about short-term and mid-term objectives that you have, really trying to direct the AI towards the right direction. And then we have context about each campaign and ad group. That's where our AI is going to look at keywords, negative keywords, ad copy, what the competitors are doing at a granular level to build up this context. So it understands at a granular level what are the audiences, what they need, what they want, and build up the right context for making the right optimizations. You can review them manually and edit them as you want. Is really the cornerstone about how the agents are working. It helps as well to understand at a granular level the difference between groups, campaigns, and how they all fit together. Then you can move to the weekly insight. Weekly insight is where you have like a table with the main KPIs from one week to another, for instance, comparing two different periods, and where AI is making a correlation between the evolution of performance from one week to another, for instance, and all the changes that have been made. So trying to make the link between the performance and changes that you have made. This is done at the account level, but for each campaign, you have as well the explanation. It can be that the increase of budgets has brought more performance, for instance, or the negative keywords were actually a failure, the ones that you added. You can understand that directly from a weekly insight. Then we have the My Agents section, where you can easily add new agents. Agents are organized by categories. We have traffic expansion, optimization, ad copy, and landing pages. If we look at optimization and selecting a negative keywords finder, this is an agent finding negative keywords for your campaigns. You can apply it to one or several campaigns as you want. And once you apply it, you have the possibility to edit the prompt about how the agent is behaving. That's a perfect place where you can adapt the agent behavior to fit the way you are doing things internally in your agency or as an advertiser. You can really define how you want the agent to behave. For instance, you don't want any overlap between different ad groups for your negative keywords. Then you can define the run mode. Either you run in once or with a recurrent mode. So based on the results for this AI agent, it's organized by campaigns where you can get search term information, what are the costs incurred last week, what are the ad group ID, ad group name it should be added, and as well information about why it should be added as a negative keyword. It can be, for instance, in this case, because we have free mentions about something where you want to really sell something from the intention that you have in your ad group. It can be as well something that is a bit vague and not directly related to your ad group or campaign. All of this, you can provide a more customization and control on this specific agent, either in the knowledge base or providing a custom prompt in the prompt of the AI agent. And all of this information, so here we have like hundreds of negative keywords to add to manage better cost, can be exported through a CSV file. And the CSV file is basically a CSV that you can download and quickly upload to a Google Ads in bulk edit or a Google Ads editor. Then, looking at the list of AI agents, we have many different AI agents. One is about keyword ideas finder, so finding new keywords ideas. It can be about a search campaign builder, so creating search campaigns. It can be about negative keywords cleaner, so finding negative keywords that are blocking relevant traffic. It can be as well about negative keyword brainstormer, so thinking about potential negative keywords, before that they are reported by Google Ads. Then ad copy rewriter, so trying to better align the landing page with your ad copy and keywords. We have as well the possibility to rewrite headlines to find new marketing angles and looking at what competitors are doing. And then everything about extensions, which whether it's cloud, site link, structured snippets, really important to improve the performance.